I don't think you should go to work today. You should go to the doctor. Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use should. Should do something means it is a good thing or right thing to do. Tom never exercises. He should join a gym. That restaurant is amazing. We should go there for lunch. When you're on a boat, you should wear a life jacket. Should not do something or shouldn't do something means it's not a good thing to do. Tom is overweight. He shouldn't eat so much. You shouldn't use your phone before going to sleep. We often say, I think someone should do something, I don't think someone should do something, and do you think someone should do something? Let's look at some examples. I think you should get a new phone. Her mother thinks she should get married and have kids soon. I don't think the president should use Twitter. Do you think I should cut my hair? Her husband is having an affair. What do you think she should do? Give it a go. Try making your own sentence using should and leave it in the comments below.